Hello there, my name is Ivan McFarlane, who's mostly retired these days, but still doing quite a bit of DevOps training. And because I'm involved in talking about DevOps, Good eLearning have asked me to do another webinar this year, which I'm delighted to do. And we're calling this one Old School DevOps, and it's running on the 3rd of November, 1800 UK time, that's 1300 Central. We're calling it Old School DevOps because the more I talk about DevOps and realize that it rests on existing frameworks and ideas. I love that DevOps doesn't try to reinvent new things. So when we're talking about these things, you realize that most of these actually you can map onto the ideas and the practices and the experience we have in our everyday lives. And I think that's a very valuable thing to hang on to. We give it fancy names. We talk about technical debt on courses and incident and problem management and change enablement and empowerment and all those kind of things. But actually, we understand those from our everyday lives. If you try to clean a house or fix a car, you'll be aware of technical debt. You may talk about, if I cut corners now, I'll pay for it later, but it's the same thing. Families will have their own change authority levels about what you're empowered to do and what you won't, and what will need discussions and what you need to ask people about. It's all exactly mapped on to ITIL's complicated and convoluted change enablement stuff. We talk about constraint-based and all sorts of other things. And I want to talk about those with you on the 3rd of November. And I want to hear what you think about them in the Q&A session at the end of it. So please do come along. 3rd of November, that's 1800 UK time, 6 p.m. At 1300, 1 p.m. Central time. Be careful, it's that funny week when Europe's changed its clocks and the US hasn't, so don't get caught out by that. So please come along, it'd be lovely to see you there.